Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keeps dropping Wi-Fi connection. It must be very irritating when your iPhone keeps switching back to your cellular data but actually you are on a Wi-Fi network. This has to happen to many people, especially after they has upgraded their iOS system. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your router or modem. One reason might be that you are far away from the network and it's unstable, so make sure you are within the network coverage. And the next step is turn Wi-Fi off and on. The second solution is to refresh your iPhone's Wi-Fi functions to clear out some small errors during the updates by turning it off and back on again. For this, go to settings, tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it off, and after some time tap on its toggle button again to turn it on, and you are done. And the next step is enable auto join feature. For some people your iPhone Wi-Fi keeps dropping out issue is mainly due to the inaccessibility of the auto join feature of your network. To fix this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the I symbol next to your Wi-Fi connection and then tap on the auto join toggle button to turn it on, and you are done. And the next step is rejoin your Wi-Fi network. The next simple solution is to prevent your Wi-Fi connection from disconnecting repeatedly is to rejoin your Wi-Fi network. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network and then tap on forget this network and then tap on forget to confirm again and then reconnect it by entering the right passcode, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. This has been an easy yet efficient way to eliminate some minor glitches that usually occur due to an iOS installation. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button, and then same with the down button and press the side button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is turn airplane mode on and off. For this, go to settings and then tap on airplane mode toggle button, and after some time tap on its toggle button to turn it off again, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. To reset network settings, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It may ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone keeps dropping Wi-Fi connection after iOS 17 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.